Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram story waiting for connection problem. When you sometimes post Instagram story, this story won't get posted due to some of the problem and it will show waiting for connection like this. Now to fix this problem, you need to first make sure that your internet connection or your network connection is strong enough. For this, go to your settings. Then go to your Wi-Fi or internet option. Then make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on. And make sure that you have a strong network bandwidth as well, because the less strong bandwidth can cause waiting for connection problem on Instagram story. Sometimes waiting for connection problem on Instagram story can occur due to the large number of datas present on Instagram. To solve this error, you need to go through app setting on your mobile phone. Then tap on manage apps option. Now here look for Instagram application. Then tap on Instagram. Now here you can see your Instagram app information. Now you need to tap on clear data option. Then tap on clear cache. After this, tap on OK option and then all your cache data will be cleared. After this, you will be able to fix Instagram story waiting for connection. Now you can go back to your Instagram application. Then once refresh your home feed by scrolling downward. After this, now tap on your story and then you can see that your story will be uploaded and there will be no waiting for connection problem. This is how we can fix Instagram story waiting for connection error. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.